Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into the Google account you will use to own the location. Once signed in, open Google Maps and zoom to the precise address. Accuracy matters for discovery. Tap or right-click the map and choose Add a Missing Place or Add a Business. You'll immediately be prompted for a name, category, and location pin. Enter the official name and drop the pin exactly where people will find the entrance. Next, fill every field carefully because Google uses these signals to validate the listing. You must pick the best primary category and exact address, then add phone, website, and visible hours. Upload clear photos of the exterior, signage, and interior to prove legitimacy. If it's a service area business, define the coverage radius. Once done, double-check the map marker position and the spelling. Small errors slow verification and reduce search visibility. Finally, request verification so Google will publish the place. Choose postcard unless phone or email appears. Expect a 5 to 14-day postcard delay. Once received, enter the code to confirm ownership. After verification, watch the Google My Business dashboard to respond to edits and add updates. If Google rejects or toggles your listing, escalate by submitting proof, business licenses, utility bills, or lease agreements to prove you control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.